how to enter maintenance mode in Samsung phone. So if you want to put your Samsung phone in maintenance mode, maybe you want to repair it or you want to set in a new profile, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enter maintenance mode in your Samsung phone, go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down and click on device care. Under device care, scroll down, locate and click on maintenance mode beneath. Click on it. Now it should say maintenance mode. To enter maintenance mode, click on turn on. Then uncheck create log and restart, and then click on restart. Once you click on restart, go ahead and confirm your Samsung phone password and click on continue. It should say switching to maintenance mode. Your phone will restart soon, and once your Samsung phone restarts, your Samsung phone will restart in maintenance mode. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.